put on a Christmas Eve video, just really quick, regarding my nails. Sorry if my eyes are really red right now and wet. I might have to stop the camera to blow my nose. I've had a major contact lens malfunction. You know, contact lens wearers, how that goes. You're fine 1 minute, and the next minute it just completely blew up. My eye completely blew up. I took out my contacts, so I'm not even, you know, I know the camera's over here, so I'm facing the camera here. But again, I apologize. I've got tissue with me, so if I have to stop, I'll stop and, you know, get my eyeballs and my nose in gear here. I'm already red from blowing my nose so much. But, okay, moving on. What I wanted to show you guys was I picked these up at Five Below the other day. These were in the kind of like the kids section for press-on nails. They really were geared to like the tweeners, the younger little girls between, it says on the package between 8 and up, so I guess from 8 to 13, 14 years old. They are press-on nails. They're very cute, and I love the style. I mean, they are just adorable for Christmas here. And I decided to pick them up. Now, they do run a little bit small on the nail bed size, so these are only good for ladies if you have small fingers or fingernails. I do. I have very small nail beds, so I can, you know, go ahead and work with these and get them on my nails, and they fit perfectly. Now, if you have longer nail beds or larger nail beds, these will not work for you, just FYI. But, so these come with some sort of like a very, like a tacky glue on the flip side of it, on the underside of it, and all you're supposed to do is just basically take them. You don't even have to peel anything off. There's no tags or tabs or anything. You just take it out of the box and pop it on. The glue is absolutely useless, just to let you guys know that. It is meant for little kids to play with it maybe for a day and a half, and it literally falls off. And I'm going to show you what I mean. This is already coming off, as you can see, and this has been on for about 2 days. And I used the brush-on glue, the one I'm about to show you. I used the brush-on glue, and look at it. It is, you know, it's literally coming off there. Hopefully it's coming in a little bit, moving. I used this Wonder Bond underneath it. Come on. There you go. And I got that at Sally's Beauty Supply, and I use that. But when I and I've had to replace about 2 or 3 of these nails already. I had to replace this one and this one. And when I did, I used this glue from Kiss, the maximum speed nail glue, and that seems to work. So just to let you know, you're going to have to work with this. Where's the auto? Okay. You're going to have to work with these nails if you really want them to stick for more than, you know, like a day. And you can make them stick. You just have to really like play with them. And that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to flip the camera around now just to show you how I'm going to reattach this. And it's so pretty. It's, you know, it's got the ombre on it. It's got the cute little, how do you call it? The, oh gosh, there's some glue coming off. The cute little snowflakes on it. It's got the silver metallic like little sprinkles going on. So it is absolutely adorable. And I really wanted to play with these. So, oh, my eyes are just going nuts. So yeah, I'm going to flip over the camera now and just show you how I'm reattaching this really quickly so you guys see it. And again, you know, these were only like $2 at Five Below. They weren't $5. They were like $2, or I might maybe 3 for $5 maybe. I just got one for like $2. So it's just something to play with. Sometimes people go to the Dollar Tree store and get a lot of you know, $1 press-on nails, and people, it's almost like a game, you know, you kind of hunt around to see where you can find cheap press-on nails. And I just want to let you guys know that there are so many other alternatives. There's Claire's store has a lot of these types of nails. I haven't tried any yet from the Claire's brand, but I will probably make a review on that once I, once I try it for my nails. But just want to put it out there that there's a lot of different varieties from a lot of different companies, and you don't have to necessarily spend $8, $9, $10 and upward for press-on nails. You can get away with the cheaper ones. You just have to know how to jimmy them. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn this camera around. Hopefully I'll jimmy rig it to be down here, and I can show you how I reattach my nail. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm back, guys. I just wanted to show you again. This is the nail we're talking about, so I'm going to pull this right off right now. See how, we just pull it off like that. And it's still got some of the glue on it, as you can see. So I'm going to try to kind of scrape that off a little bit with my nail. Don't know how successful I will be, but again, I'm not worried about this staying on forever and a day. I'm just worried about it staying on for a little bit. So that's where it is. And then got my nail over there, and I'm just gonna pull off some of that gunk. And I'm not even gonna rebuff it because, again, I don't care about it being on for more than maybe a day. That's all I'm gonna be worried about. And I'm gonna do a brush on again because it's not like the super speed maximum glue. It's not going to like stay on forever. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to get through this video without slobbering anymore. Sorry, I had to stop it again. So there it is off, and I'm going to go ahead and open up this glue, and just a little goes a long way. And all I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just put it on the inside of the nail. I'm just going to put it right here on the inside. Let me see, the ombre goes on the silver goes on the bottom, so just gonna hold it like this ever so slightly, and I'm gonna put one, see if you can see that really well, one itty bitty drop. Come on, glue, come on out. There, I think I got that. Yep, I got it on there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is shiny if you can see. Okay, so then I'm gonna just I'm trying to make it so that you guys could see this. Let me take off my glasses here. Ever so gently, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it back on here. There, and I'm just gonna hold it. And yeah, I know I told you I was gonna do the brush on, didn't I? But I didn't. I forgot in my angst of doing my eyeballs. And I just hold it. And it is a little tacky, but you just want to hold it there really nice and tight for about 15 seconds, 10-15 seconds, just to make sure everything is bonded on there. And like I said, I only put it on the actual nail. I did not, I mean the nail extension, the tip. I did not put it on my nail, so that way it'll be easier to soak off when the time comes. And hopefully this will stay on for the next 2 days, 3 days. And I'm not babying these nails, just to let you know. Ow, there, it stuck a little on my hand, but there it is. It is on there now. See, pretty nicely. There you go. I think I can get in closer. I'm trying to get in there. And see, it's not lifting at all. You don't want to play with it too much right now. It takes about they say not to put your hand in water for about an hour. So I'm not planning to do that. I'm planning to just run some errands, but that's it. It's on now pretty tightly. There you go. And I'm just going to try to see if I can show you guys. I'm going to take off I'm going to put it on auto, and hopefully it'll find it. There. Hang on. Oh, come on in. There you go. See how nice it's on tightly? I know it's hunting for it. Sorry guys. It's hard for it to get in there. There you go. Maybe if I do this. Come on, guys. Well, there you go. Okay, it's trying its best, but sorry, it's not doing its best. But that's it. That's how it is. It's pretty sturdy now. I can tell it's really, really sturdy now. So that's it, you know. So just use special glue if you need to get these on here, and they will stay for, you know, the duration of your holidays or however long you want. Again, these are not made to be permanent or stay on for like 2 weeks, but again, if you have smaller nail beds like I do, and you want to you know, play around with the kids variety, and see what's out there. Sometimes they have absolutely cute as heck you know, things, and especially for the summer and the spring, I'm looking forward to it. And that's the way you get around it. I hope this has been helpful, and please give it a thumbs up, ombre thumbs up. There you go, an ombre thumbs up, and support this station if you can, this TV channel. Listen to me, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm so miserable with my eyes right now. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and Merry Christmas Eve again. And I hope you enjoy your holidays, and I hope that you have a wonderful time with your family. And I'll see you back here in a couple of days. Bye.
Learning a song for Christmas, to sing upon Christmas night. Oh, oh, how does it go? This is the only part I know. Ha, ha, ha.